6 women have filed a Title IX federal lawsuit against the University of Tennessee. And that lawsuit claims that the university, quote, created a student culture that enables sexual assaults by student athletes, especially football players, and then uses an unusual legalistic adjudication process that is biased against victims who step forward. These are the allegations in the suit. Also accuses 4 former Tennessee athletes and 1 current football player of sexual assault. It's very complicated, and CNN's Nick Valencia has been looking into this story and reading through the court documents as well. And that's what we have, Nick, right now. Let's be clear. We have court documents, we have allegations. What more do we know about this lawsuit and about this case?
Well, these 6 women, Ashley, claim that they didn't get justice. Each of them was a student at the University of Tennessee, each saying that they were sexually assaulted or raped by a student athlete between the years of 2012 and 2014. In the cases of 2 of those athletes, they are currently awaiting trial on rape charges, but in the other cases, nothing ever happened. I spoke earlier to one of the victims who's being identified only as Jane Doe number 1 in the lawsuit. She's asked us to withhold her identity. Of course, it is CNN's policy not to name a victim or an alleged victim of a sexual assault or rape, but Ashley, she did explain to me exactly what happened that day in February of 2013. She says she was raped by a University of Tennessee basketball player, and immediately afterwards, she went to the police and also to the hospital where she had a rape kit conducted. She says the results of that rape kit were never tested. I spoke to her by phone a little while ago. Here she is in her own words.
I just want people to know that me and these other girls did not know each other before this. We came together to change the environment, to change what is done about sexual assault. And I don't understand why people think that we're lying about it. I tried to press criminal charges with the district attorney, and she told me that there was not enough physical evidence and that the rape kit wouldn't be tested unless I could pursue criminal charges, so it was never tested.
You could hear the terror in that young woman's voice. Now, we did reach out to the assistant district attorney who was involved in this case, and they told us that there was a variety of reasons that they decided not to pursue criminal charges in the case of Jane Doe number 1, but decided to not elaborate further. They said they aren't going to comment on ongoing litigation. Now, as far as the University of Tennessee is concerned, we've also reached out to them, and they did send us a statement which read in part, "In the situations identified in the lawsuit filed, the university acted lawfully and in good faith, and we expect a court to agree. Any assertion that we do not take sexual assault seriously enough is simply not true. To claim that we have allowed a culture to exist contrary to our institutional commitment to providing a safe environment for our students, or that we do not support those who report sexual assault, is just false." I did speak to the attorney of these plaintiffs listed as Jane Doe number 1 through 6. David Smith tells CNN that he's looking forward to this litigation. He says that the truth will come out in court.